Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and amazing with your loved ones. I am Chia Chauhan and today I'm back with a bang with 6 healthy popsicle varieties to make. We have zero sugar. We have fresh fruits, coconut, yogurt, milk powder and basil seeds. Basil seeds are called Sabja in Hindi, and why we're choosing basil seeds is because they swell up when soaked in water in less than 1.5 minutes and thus reduce formation of ice crystals in our popsicles, so they're going to be smoother. More essentially required for watery fruit juices like the watermelon and the kiwi. They'll provide a good viscosity. Besides that, they're the best body coolants, so go very well with our icy sweet dishes. And they have minimal flavoring of themselves, except for a slight hint of mint, which we don't mind with our sweet dishes, right? And they are loaded with health, which we're going to talk about while we're making the popsicles. So let's get started. Just one thing that the ingredients that I'm listing down are for making 2 popsicles. So like if you want to make 4, then you multiply it by 2. Obviously. Okay, so let's get started.
It's yummy, it's sticky, it's Quicky Pantry.
You can use chia seeds instead of basil. Basil seeds are different from chia seeds in predominantly 3 ways. They swell up faster, are of Indian origin and not Mexico, have more fiber content, and have half of the omega-3 fat than present in the chia seeds. We took a bowl full of watermelon and made a puree of it, which you can see is too runny for our popsicles. So we've added 3 teaspoons of sabja here, and then we'll freeze it in our popsicle mold. Sabja is also a great source of calcium, magnesium, iron, and are packed with fiber. Thus, they make you feel fuller and kind of help in reducing that irrelevant hunger. They are rich in plant compounds including flavonoids and other polyphenols. One of the best sources of plant-based omega-3 fat, and just 1 tablespoon could supply most or all of your daily needs for ALA omega-3 fat. They are the best body coolants, have a soothing effect on the tummy and thus useful to combat acidity, act as detoxifying agent and help to cleanse blood, and thus are great for skin also. For the kiwi popsicle, we take 3 kiwis and convert 2.5 into a puree. Add 2 teaspoons of sabja for thickening the puree. The balance half I want to show you a trick with. Peel and cut half kiwi into halves and take 1 drop of glycerine into 5 drops of water. Use it to coat the mold with a brush and place these halves into the mold, and then we let it freeze. Once they have frozen, put the prepared puree into the same mold and let freeze. This way your kiwi halves will remain stuck to your popsicle, showing off the fruit. Tangy popsicle. Next, we use 3 teaspoons of the leftover kiwi puree, put it into mold and let freeze. Once frozen, we put concoction of half of our coconut's water and 2 tablespoons of orange juice in the mold. Put peeled orange slices and let freeze. You can use any fruit juice of your choice with the coconut water and immerse slices of the fruit thereafter. The slices of the fruit will peek through your popsicle. Now this one has 61 calories per popsicle and 14% of that is protein. Please do notice the nutrition value that I'm putting against the ingredients for all popsicles. Thank you. We make a puree of mango. Take 1.5 tablespoon and put it in the mold. Settle it and let freeze. Once frozen, we put a mix of 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of milk powder into it. Notice that we are achieving layering by doing so, and you may please take well-suited shortcuts or what the heck, do more layering. All a choice of patience, my darling. Now, mango popsicle. Make puree of a medium-sized mango. Please do not make it too frothy and thus spin only for 30 seconds. Mix 30 grams of milk powder to arrive at a smooth paste. Put it into the popsicle mold and let freeze. For banana. Freeze 2 bananas. Cut and spin in a blender for 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, any milk you like, and mix with a fork. The reason I am recommending not to spin again is for mixing is to avoid frothing. But you may spin for 10 seconds, but please do the balance with a fork. We can add a few chocolate chips if we like and then just freeze in the mold. I know some of these would not be as sweet as the popsicles of the market, but that's exactly the point. No processed sugar. We must cultivate a healthy palate for ourselves and our kids. My son loves them since he was 7. Of course, now he says, Mother. Garb, did I imitate you well? Tell me after you see the video.
We're ready with 6 varieties to make you a cool dude in this month of May in a healthy way. So you see, healthy eating does not require too much of effort, time or money. All it requires is intent and organization. I really do hope you will make at least one variety today with your loved ones. Enjoy it. And next we are going to do a vegan ice cream without sugar and without an ice cream maker. So do subscribe to Quicky Pantry. Until then, you stay healthy, wise and really happy with these popsicles. Ta-da!
It's yummy.